Introduction. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system built for cybersecurity and penetration testing. It's widely used by ethical hackers, security researchers, and IT professionals. It comes in different formats. Standard ISO files for manual installation. Pre-configured virtual machine images for tools like VirtualBox and VMware. Step 1. Download Kali Linux Virtual Machine. Go to the official Kali Linux website, www.kali.org. From the main menu, go to Downloads, then choose Virtual Machines. Select the version for VirtualBox and start downloading the compressed file. Step 2. Download and install VirtualBox. While the Kali download is in progress, go to www.virtualbox.org. Click on Download VirtualBox, then select the installer for your operating system, usually Windows. Once downloaded, run the setup. Click Next a few times. Accept the default settings. Click Install. If prompted to install network drivers, click Install to confirm. Step 3. Launch VirtualBox. After installation, open VirtualBox and make sure it launches correctly. Now you're ready to import Kali Linux, which we'll cover in the next part. Now that VirtualBox is installed, let's import the Kali Linux virtual machine. Desktop computer, open VirtualBox, then go to File, Import Appliance. Click Choose, and select the .ova file you downloaded from the Kali Linux official site. Then click Next, review the settings, you can leave them as default, and press Import. Hourglass not done. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system's performance. White heavy checkmark. Once completed, Kali Linux will appear in the left panel. Select it, and click Start to boot the virtual machine. Black heart, a black screen will appear. This is normal. The system is now booting. After a few seconds, the language selection screen for the graphical installer will appear, and we stop here. Warning: common errors during installation and how to fix them. Electric plug error 1, VTX is disabled in the BIOS or AMDV is disabled. Light bulb solution: this means virtualization is disabled on your system. Restart your computer, enter the BIOS/UEFI settings, and enable virtualization technology, VTX or AMDV. Then try again. Floppy disk error 2, the virtual machine runs very slow or freezes. Light bulb solution: make sure you've assigned at least 2 GB of RAM and 1 CPU core or more to Kali Linux in the VM settings. File folder error 3, invalid appliance file or corrupted OVA during import. Light bulb solution: the download might be incomplete or corrupted. Re-download the .ova file from the official Kali Linux website. Hammer and wrench error 4, no graphical interface appears after boot. Light bulb solution: during the boot menu, make sure to choose graphical install, not just install. With these steps and solutions, you're now ready for the next phase, installing Kali Linux step by step. Stay tuned. Kali Linux. Speaking head. Step 1. Language selection. Choose the language you want to use during the installation. We recommend English, especially if you're following international resources. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Step 2. Region selection. Select your country or region, for example, Middle East or other, to configure the time zone. Keyboard. Step 3. Keyboard layout. Choose your keyboard layout, such as English, US or Arabic, depending on your hardware. Globe with meridians. Step 4. Network configuration. The system will ask for a hostname. This is the name of your machine. You can type anything, like Kali VM or Pentest Lab. Then, it may ask for a domain name. You can leave this field blank unless you're on a corporate or internal network. Bust-in silhouette. Step 5. User setup. Now, create your username, e.g., Kaliuser, and choose a secure password. Warning: common mistake. If you forget your password, you won't be able to log in later unless you recover it using single user mode or reinstall the system. so make sure to remember it. Computer disk Step 6, Disk Partitioning. If you're a beginner, we recommend choosing green circle guided, use entire disk. Select the available disk, usually labeled SDA. Then choose white heavy checkmark all files in one partition, recommended for new users. Next, confirm with Finish Partitioning Yes. Warning: common error, if you get a not enough space message, it likely means the virtual disk is too small. Make sure it's at least 20 GB in VirtualBox settings. Optical disk Step 7, Installing the system. Now Kali will begin copying files and installing the system. Hourglass not done. This process takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your system speed. Toolbox Step 8, Grub Bootloader Installation. You'll be asked whether to install the Grub bootloader, choose Yes. Then select the device, usually /dev/SDA. Warning: mistake to avoid, if you select No, the system won't boot after restarting. Repeat button. Once the installation is complete, click Continue to reboot. Party popper. You'll now see the Kali Linux login screen. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Welcome to the Kali Linux desktop environment, ready for ethical hacking and learning in a safe virtual setup. Sparkles. In the next video, we'll explore Kali's interface and highlight essential tools for penetration testing and security research. Once Kali Linux boots up, the desktop environment loads, designed to be simple and professional, serving a primary goal: penetration testing and security analysis. Magnifying glass tilted left. Kali Linux is an operating system based on Debian, but it's fully tailored for professionals and enthusiasts in cybersecurity. Package. It includes over 600 specialized security tools covering areas such as network penetration testing, packet analysis, vulnerability scanning, social engineering, data recovery and digital forensics. Desktop computer. Kali's environment is lightweight and fast. It can run on physical machines or inside virtual systems like VirtualBox and VMware, making it ideal for safe training and testing without affecting your main OS. Locked with key. Kali is used in top global certifications such as CEH, OSCP, and CompTIA Pentest Plus. Warning: remember, Kali is not intended for everyday users or daily tasks. It's a professional environment designed for information security specialists. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Stay safe and take care.